I'm hiking under the pines, oaks, and palmettos here at Guana River WMA today. Oh, look at that beautiful vista with all of the marshes. And I'm here because this portion, 600 acres of this property, which is in Northwest Florida, right along the coast, just south of Jacksonville, is being proposed for a land swap. And what that means is a developer wants to develop it. And it's public lands that we paid for with our tax dollars under the express promise that it would be open to the public and permanently conserved. And there's so much development pressure on this land because it's been developed all around it, and it's valuable property right along the coast here just south of Jacksonville. And so they have proposed this deal that the state says is a good deal. And it's more acreage, but it's acreage of land that is in discontinuous parcels all over the state, and that those parcels are degraded. They are old pine plantations and degraded wetlands, which they can't develop, right? And they're not functioning ecosystems. I haven't seen a single invasive plant here today, and I just saw a beautiful little glass lizard slither by me. And this is land that is home to so much wildlife. This is irreplaceable. This is providing so much for us as well. This is providing recreation, hunting and fishing, but also, a spiritual retreat for many of us who live in suburbia. And it's providing so many ecosystem services that we can't even begin to comprehend all of them. But the big ones are, carbon sequestration, cleaning our air and cleaning our water, which is an issue in Florida. And it also buffering extreme weather events like hurricanes coming off the coast. These coastal communities are really critical for that. Intact coastal communities provide so much resilience during storms, help slow down the storms as they move inland. But I would like you to reach out to DeSantis's office and also to your representatives to let them know that we don't want any more of these shady land swaps being proposed, that we don't want to be kowtowing, giving sweet deals to developers every whim when they ask for our public lands. These lands were purchased with our money under the promise that they would be permanently conserved for all of our wildlife, for us, and for future generations, our descendants. And you can't replace them once they're gone. You can't replace this. So they have slipped it onto the agenda for the ARC meeting that's coming up this Wednesday, May 21st at 9 a.m. in Tallahassee at 3900 Commonwealth Boulevard. I'll be there to advocate for Guana River WMA and also against these shady land swaps that have keep being proposed. We just fought one off in the Withlacoochee State Forest. So please be there if you can be there. If not, send emails, make calls, and do what you can, because we can't let them get away with this.